All right, this is going to be problem number 4 on your worksheet. All right, so go through the same steps we did before. Do the best you can on it. This one's a little bit different, but get as far as you can through it. If you get stuck somewhere, don't worry. I'm going to go through step by step, but I think it is important for you to give this a shot yourself and see how far you can get on your own. So once again, those are our steps, and this is the triangle at the bottom that I want you to solve. So I'm going to go through. It's going to be the same steps as before. Start off with our magic phrase. Step 2, we sketch the triangle. Step 3, we label the side we know, the angle we know, and XY, which is the side we don't know. Step 4, we're going to label the names of these two sides. So 24 degrees, this one over here is on the opposite side of that 24 degrees, and this is our other leg. This is the adjacent leg. Step 5, we want to figure out which one of the trig relations relates opposite and adjacent. Opposite and adjacent, that's tangent. We're going to set up the trig function. So tangent of 24 degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent. All right, and now here's the thing that's different from the problems we've done before. In the problems we've done before, the unknown variable was in the numerator of this fraction. Now it's in the denominator. So we're still going to be able to solve this for x, but it's going to take a little bit of extra steps. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do what we did before. We're going to clear out the denominator by moving it over to the numerator. So this is just x times tangent of 24 degrees is equal to 4. And now we've got the same problem we always have in algebra. What's it going to take for us to get x by itself on this side? Well, the thing that's keeping x by itself is that we're multiplying it by the tangent of 24 degrees. So to isolate x, we need to do the inverse of multiplying by tangent of 24. And that is dividing by the tangent of 24 degrees. All right, so in this case, x is equal to 4 divided by the tangent of 24 degrees. All right, and we just bring up our calculator and off we go. 4 divided by 24 tangent is equal to, rounded to the nearest tenth again. So this is 8.9. Are we going to round that up or down? We're going to round it up. What is 8.9 rounded up? That becomes 9.0. So 9.0 is the answer to that question. Okay? So whether you've got your unknown in the numerator or denominator of the fraction, you're just going to go through the same algebraic process of getting x by itself, and you can just stick that into the calculator and get the answer to the problem. Okay, in the next video, we're going to do another example of one of these two types, and I want you to see once again how far you can get in that on your own.